acceleration of a body moving in plane. Now consider a body moving in xy plane. Let the body move from A to B, having position vector r1 and r2. ठीक है. Let v1 is the velocity at A in time t1 and v2 is the velocity at t in time t2, and the body moves from A to B. That this is the direction of velocity at this is v1 is here and v2 is here. ठीक है. So let v1 and v2 be the velocity at time t1 and t2 at point A and B respectively. ठीक है. Go v1 is the velocity at A, t1 at A, and v2 at t1. v2 is the velocity at t2 at time t2 at B. Therefore, average acceleration is given by किसके बराबर v average आसान बराबर final velocity को v2 minus v1 divided by t2 minus t1, or I can say dv by dt. This is equation first, where dv is this is small change in velocity and dt it is small change in time t2 minus t1. ठीक है. As the del t small time it approaches to 0, then ये जो point B है, point B it will coincide with point A. Then the acceleration at this time is called instantaneous acceleration. So instantaneous acceleration is given by limit del t tends to 0 del v by del t, or A is equal to as del t is equal to 0. Therefore, del v by del t is equal to dv by dt. Therefore, A will be equal to dv by dt. But the velocity जो है it is in two directions. ठीक है. क्या velocity जो होगी it is in two directions, along x axis as well as along y axis. So total acceleration v will be equal to vxi, acceleration along axis, plus vy j. दे दो इसमें. Therefore A is equal to d by dt of vxi by vy. J is equal to dvxi by dt plus dvy by dtj. ठीक है. Therefore A will be equal to, it will also be along in two dimensions, along x axis and along y axis. So जो A होगा it will be axi, acceleration along x axis, plus ay j, where vx is equal to dx by dt. ठीक है. And vy is equal to dy by dt. Therefore A is equal to A by dt into dx by dt plus d by dt of dy by dt, or you can say dx square by dt plus dy square by dt. So this is in terms of the displacement. Acceleration is equal to dx square by dt, dy square by dt. This is in terms of velocity dv by dvxi along x axis, dvyj dt along y axis. This is the acceleration of your body moving in plane, acceleration of your body in two dimensions. Thank you.